Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Melissa and today's video is going to be a try on haul. I feel like this try on haul won't be too long. I just have a few pieces, but I'm really excited about them. I want to see how everything looks, and I feel like these are perfect pieces for the winter. I feel like these are cozy. Yeah, these are all like kind of cozy vibes type of outfits that I'm going to be showing you. Let's start off with this piece because I'm so excited about this piece and I'm already loving it so much. So this actually is a two-piece set that I randomly found on the Shade Room Instagram account. Like, I was scrolling and every once in a while they'll throw in a little ad from somebody's business, and this really caught my eye because I'm just a sucker for anything with like an eye on it. I have an evil eye tattoo on my finger. I love the evil eye. I think it's so beautiful and I incorporate it in so many different ways in my life. And when I saw this set, I was like, I need to have it. First of all, I had the evil eye, and then it's like a cozy two-piece set. It was just like made for me, that piece. But I just thought it was so funny that I found it on the Shade Room. The set does come in different colors. I almost got it in a different color, but I was like, you know what, let me go with black because that's my safe color. So I got the black one and it fits really nice. The only thing that throws me off is that it's actually a one size fits all, but I don't know, the material is stretchy and it's very comfortable, but I don't know how this is a one size fits all. How cute is this little two-piece set? It is so comfortable. By the way, I just have my slippers on, but I would wear this with sneakers, either white sneakers or black sneakers, or even if you had like a blue pair of sneakers. I don't, but if you did, I feel like it would be so cute to tie that color in because of the eye. The material is thinner than I expected, but in a good way. I was scared that it was gonna be too thick and then it would just be way too hot because I get hot easily, but it's a really perfect kind of material. It's breathable. The pants have pockets, which I think is so cute. Next item, I feel like most of the items that I'm gonna show you are from Missguided, but I'll let you guys know where everything is from. This next coat is from Missguided and I am loving it so much. I've been so into coats this year, and last year was when I first started wearing a teddy coat and I fell in love with the teddy coat trend. I have two cream, like beigey kind of teddy coats, and I decided to get this one in black. And this coat I have not been able to take off because it's been so cold and you feel like you're wrapped in a blanket. It's the best. I wish I would have gotten a size smaller. I wish I would have gotten the 0 because it is very oversized, but whatever, it still works. Okay, this teddy coat, I have not been able to take off whatsoever. First of all, it's freezing. It's like 20 degrees outside. So I need something that keeps me very warm. And it's just so cute. When I first tried it on, I was like, ooh, I don't know about it. It's just so like bulky and not that cute, but it's really grown on me. It's very oversized. I wish I would have gotten the smaller size. I got the second to smallest size, but I could have definitely gotten the smaller size because I have so much room in here. But it's very cozy, extremely warm. You feel like you're wearing a blanket. That's what it feels like. And I'm just very into these longer coats at the moment. It does have pockets. You can button it. It's only one button actually, but I never button it. I literally wear it like this. And I'll probably be posing like this for every photo because it just doesn't have any shape to it. So this is the only way that it actually looks cute. But I really love this coat. They do have a ton of other cute colors that I would love, but I literally don't think I can get any more coats because I have so many right now. But yeah, I'm loving this one. Next item is this super chunky sweater. This is from Missguided as well, and I really love the color. And I also I don't think I expected it to be this chunky, but it actually worked out because I'm gonna show you guys 3 different ways in which I would wear this. Can you guys handle a turtleneck? Because I keep trying to wear a turtleneck, but I get so hot and I feel like I'm suffocating. But I'm really gonna try to wear this and see if I can pull off the turtleneck trend. Because when I see it on other people, it looks very cute, especially for winter. But I just feel like I'm being suffocated. We'll see how this goes. First way that I would wear is actually as an oversized dress with some over the knee boots. And I did cinch it at the waist with a belt just to give myself a little body because it's very shapeless. And then I'm also gonna show you how it looks with some jeans. You can wear this with your favorite skinny jeans. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks with my leather leggings, which I'm loving right now. I feel like it gives it a little bit more of a dressed up look when you do leather leggings instead of just a regular old legging. The first way that I would wear it is like a dress. You guys know I love a good oversized dress moment with over the knee boots. And in the winter, if you want to do that, you're going to be super warm in this outfit because This damn turtleneck, like I can barely breathe. Like I don't know how I feel about it. So I did tie a belt around it just to give it a little more body and cinch in the waist. It's a very cozy type of sweater, and this is the first way that I would wear it as a little dress. I have my over the knee boots on, which these are also part of the haul. These are new. I got them from Chinese Laundry. They are so comfortable. I really like Chinese Laundry boots, and I already have a pair of over the knee boots with a heel, so I decided to get a pair with like just a low chunky heel that like almost like flats. Right, so this is the second way that I would wear this chunky sweater. Look at how big it is. It's just like the coziest thing ever. This is cute if you're having like a day home, maybe people are coming over but it's still like super casual, or again like you're just running errands, just a casual day. I feel like it looks really cute with some jeans. And I actually tucked it in a little bit, and because it's so big, like it's still like really nice and flowy. I'm really liking this sweater. It's growing on me every time I put it on with something new. It's growing on me. This time around I paired it with my leather leggings. These are from Spanx. I will link them for you guys. They're amazing. If you wanted to dress it up a little bit more, you can do leather leggings or regular leggings. They don't have to be like dressy leggings. They can just be something like that you feel comfortable in, because I like when I do something chunky, I like the other piece to be a little bit more form-fitting. This next dress is also from Missguided, and this is supposed to be an oversized dress. It's a leopard print. Animal prints are back in, you guys, and I am loving it. I really am. And I had high hopes for this piece, but it was a struggle. It was a struggle. I'm just gonna roll the clip and show you guys how it looked on me. But you guys let me know if I should return it or not, because this didn't quite work out the way I thought it would, but I figured out a way that I could wear it not just as a dress. But I'm gonna show you guys the clip and let you guys decide. It's a really beautiful material, I have to say that. I love the material. The print looks really nice. It doesn't look cheap or anything like that, which is what I really like. When it comes to animal prints, it can easily look cheap, but this one doesn't. It's really cute, and I want to keep it, but I'll let you guys decide for me. How about that? Okay, this one I am not liking. It's just oversized, but not in a cute way. I look like I'm wearing a bata, like I'm going to sleep. The belt helps it just a little bit, but still I feel like it looks kind of frumpy. I don't know, what do you guys think? I feel like it looks on the frumpy side, and this is small. This is a size 2. I don't think a size 0 would make a big difference. It's just not flattering. I wonder if it was shorter, if it would look cuter. No, I'm not liking it, but what do you guys think? This dress looks so much better as a top. I think I might actually keep it because it's actually it looks like it's supposed to be a top. So this is a dress, but it's thin enough where I can actually roll it up and tie it and wear it as a top. So I think this is how I would wear it. Like, it looks really cute. You can do jeans if you want. These are my leather leggings. And it just looks so much better as a top. And you could even tuck it in. I tied it really messy. I would do a better job of tying it, like if I was actually going out. But I just wanted to see like if it would even work, and it really does work. You can tie it in the front, on the side, in the back, or you can tuck it in depending on how it looks tucked in. But I'm thinking I'm gonna keep it. It looks so much better as a top. Oh my god, I didn't think I was gonna love this top as much as I do, but I really do like it. First of all, super oversized. I also didn't think this one was gonna be that oversized, but it still looks really cute. It looks cute when you tuck it in just a little bit, because otherwise it just looks kind of frumpy. So we have black, white, and then this bright yellow at the top, which I'm not mad at. I really like how it looks. And I especially love the zipper here. I thought normally, you guys know how I am. Normally I have an oversized top on and I am like zipped up to the top. I don't really show too much skin. But let me tell you, I actually really like how it looks with the zipper all the way down. And I explained in the clip how cute it would look when you have it all the way down and then you have layered gold necklaces. I think that would look so cute, but I'll show the clip and show you how I actually styled this. This top is so cute. It's giving me a sporty spice vibe. I'm loving it. I still have my leather leggings on. This ended up being a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be, but I'm not mad at it because you guys know I like loose things. I like clothes on the baggier side. It doesn't really bother me. I tucked it in a little bit just to see how it would look. It is so cute. I can't wait to wear this. You know what I love? I love a super cash outfit with glam face. I don't know why. That's like my favorite look. And I'm really loving this. I would wear it like this with leggings, some sneakers. You could even wear it with jeans if you wanted to. And we have a little zipper action here. which I think it looks so cute with it all the way zipped down. And then you can throw on some gold chains. I just have my evil eye necklace on. But you could throw on like some layered necklaces and that would look so cute with this. Oh my god. And just to give you guys an idea like of how it actually looks, like this is the top. It's super big. That's why I liked it a little bit tucked in, because it gives it a little something. It dresses it up a little bit more instead of just like hanging loose and being all frumpy. This looks a lot better. The boots that I wore with those two dresses are from Chinese Laundry. I'm gonna link them down below for you guys. They fit super comfortably. They fit true to size and I cannot wait to wear them out. Okay, last piece of clothing, also from Missguided. I had to get another pair of sweats. I love sweats, they're just so easy. I usually like to wear sweats when I'm filming because it's just so much more comfortable, especially when I'm filming sit down videos like this one. And I'm a little disappointed in these, only because they fit so damn good. They're really comfortable. I love the material. I needed a new black pair of sweats and Missguided just messed it up with the pockets. You're gonna see when I try it on, but these pockets, they come out like that and they make your hips shaped really weird. Like, it's like your hips go like that, like the pocket, like, it just looks so bad, but I'm gonna keep them and just wear them around the house unless I can figure out a way to like really flatten the pockets because I really do love these sweats. But yeah, it just looks, it looks weird. You'll see. All right, this is the last item in the haul and it's the sweats. This crop top is super old. I got it from Zara, God knows how long ago, but I just wanted to wear a crop top with this just so I could really show you the sweats. So these sweats are from Missguided and I don't love them, but they're very comfortable, so I would definitely keep them and wear them around the house. But what I don't love about them is the pockets. Do you see that? That is the pocket sticking out. So it's making me look like I have this weird shaped hip, but it's the pockets. Why would they make the pockets that way? Like, so weird. Like, what is that shape? What is that? Missguided, help me out. All right guys, that is everything I wanted to show you in my little winter cozy haul. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to check the description box because I will link every single item and I will tell you guys what size I got everything in. If there's any stores that you guys actually want me to try out and order from and give a review and try on haul for them, please let me know because I feel like I order from the same stores because I just know what I like from them. But if there's anything that you recommend that you think I would like or anything that you want me to try out for you before you order, let me know and I will get right on that. Please do not leave without subscribing to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me and I love you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.